Surf's up, everybody. Trailer trash spaghetti today. I've never been more excited in my life, if I'm being honest with you. We got the noodles, we got the sauce. Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
You're not going to school today, man. We're learning about this spaghetti together.
Open up!
Oh my God,
Lewis?
Logan, actually, get in here, man, before you catch your death out there. How you been? You won the world title, I guess. Was that for drinking or wrestling?
A little bit of both.
To be honest with you, I didn't even know you're still alive.
Lewis, you got so big.
Thank you. What do you think about my place? Anyway, man, you feel like cooking some spaghetti with me?
Seems alright, Lewis.
All right. I'll let you go. Oh, hey. All right.
It'll be fun at old nephew Lewis.
Whoa.
I didn't know you lived here.
You didn't know I lived here? No. I got you in all my Christmas pictures up here, man. What are you talking about? Okay. Let's get you to a nice warm stove. Hey, everybody. Welcome again to Trailer Trash Authentic Cooking. I brought a special guest. Hey, man. Uncle Clive. I don't know if he's the uncle on my mom's
Here,
side.
have some of my beer.
Oh my God, thank you. Anyway, Trailer Trash Authentic Spaghetti today. He's really excited about this. When's the last time you've eaten that?
Oh, so, yeah.
Come on, man, please. Anyway, marinade. Hey, Jesus, dude. Salsa.
My bad.
Salsa. Manwich. I'd give you my hand, but it's broken. Anyway, great value. And hey, actually, here, man, have a seat. You're kind of wasted. Have a seat. Okay. Now you probably noticed from the attire, we do have something special. We splurged
I
on
didn't
this.
spill my beer.
Yeah, okay. I got you. You can't be spilling that. Whew. That's liquid gold. Anyway, Hawaiian rolls. Hawaiian shirts for the Hawaiian rolls. There's one more thing we're missing right now. That is the Parmesan. I always keep a spare out in my closet. Whoa, man, what are you doing? You smoking meth in my shed?
No, man.
Okay, excuse me.
This is old country white trash beat your meat.
What's that?
Thank God we found him out in the shed. None of us have boiled noodles before. Apparently this guy says he's got the tips on how to boil the noodles.
Uh-huh. It's alright.
How's that water smell?
That's water.
I don't know.
Alright, show from
Need
beginning to
some
end so
beer.
no one can mess this up. That's the point of the show. This is cooking so that nobody can mess up.
So you can't boil water.
I've just never cooked in general, but
Does that go there?
Here, you hungry? Alright, so you ever made ramen noodles?
I've had ramen noodles made for me.
That wasn't beer.
You put the water on high. You wait for you see these bubbles?
Yeah.
You wait for bubbles to be in like you wait for bubbles to be in half the pot. And then that means it's boiling. And then you just dump the noodles in there. And they'll be cooked when they're noodly.
Why is that noodle?
Give a demonstration.
A what?
Show how it's done.
Eating?
I've
What,
never-
noodly or
Noodly.
making it?
Yeah, noodly.
I
Show the
didn't-
process
I
for the
didn't
noodly.
think you boiled noodles.
When you set it in there long enough, see it's sitting there shaking. Hang on, whoa. Dude, how much of this shit are you cooking?
Is that pot big enough?
I don't know. I know about noodles, not
I thought
pots.
you knew about pot. Okay. Does that look good?
How about this? Who's eating tonight?
At least 7 of us.
Hey, drunk
Here,
guy.
hold my beer.
Drunk guy, can you hold this for me?
Oh man.
Okay, I'm gonna set this on your counter. And I want that beer.
I can't get it off. Do you have a...
All right, so this is the only strainer we got.
I'm gonna show you how to drain these noodles.
You want this in the sink?
Yeah. Okay. Hold that. I'm gonna bring this pot over there. Hold those on the bottom.
Oh, right here. Gotcha.
Yeah. Keep the noodles from going out.
Okay.
At dinner.
I've never been more excited for anything in my life.
Me neither. I ain't eaten 3 days. Don't waste my damn noodles. Is there a roach on my head?
Keep us straining. Keep us straining. We're on a budget here. Is that all the water?
No.
How do we get the rest of the water out?
I don't know.
Straight up there.
I'm poor. I can't afford utensils.
God,
Do
man.
it again. There.
Good.
Hell is this?
Never been more excited in my life. I love you and Merry Christmas, right? So look. The meat is browned. That's when you add a little bit of the traditional Great Value marinara. Whoa. Sorry. Woo. Lower that heat volume there for me, will you, Clive? Top right. Top right. Whoa. Whoa, my use it flavor.
Hey Logan. Got a special ingredient for you.
The one you already added? Okay, thank you. Anyway, traditional, organic, mild, Great Value salsa. Oh. A little more. What would you say? A little more, a little less?
A little more.
Whole can?
Yeah.
Whole can.
Definitely okay.
Definitely. Next, most important, well, third important, but
Hey,
most
Logan.
important. Yes.
Look over there. Good.
Okay, that's plenty of PBR for this. Why am I the one that's wounded? I'm doing the most work.
Because you got my drunk ass carrying the camera.
Now time for the Hawaiian rolls. Woo! Anyway, we use bronzer, butter. You can use it as butter, you can use it as bronzer. Anyway, I'm tired of talking, just follow what I do. Do as I say, not as I don't do. But you butter these good and ready and get them decent, you know? Anywho, you push them in. Nobody likes their Hawaiian roll not toasted. And then you wait because you got nothing else. What is he doing? I'm not paying you for that. What the fuck? If you don't mind me asking, are you the uncle on my mother's side or my dad's side?
Well, it was a funny story. Both.
So what's your favorite choice of drink?
An open beer?
Were you ever driven drunk?
Yeah. Hundreds of times. I don't do it anymore. It's irresponsible.
Alright guys, we cooked all day for this. I can't wait for you to try it. I've never been more excited in my life. Here you go.
Me and my nephew Leroy.
Here you go. Alright, just eat it really fast guys, because I gotta get, you got school in the morning. Yeah, get it in there.
Tastes better than her ass.